Welcome back to our tutorial series covering DREAM3D-NX. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to import and process EBSD data in DREAM3D-NX. The example file used in this tutorial is an ANG file. However, DREAM3D-NX also supports Oxford Instruments CTF files, as well as HDF5-based EBSD formats. For Oxford Instruments, this includes H5OINA files, and for EDX, H5EBSD files. This tutorial covers all of these formats. Let's drag in our data file into the pipeline. DREAM3D-NX will prompt you with two different filters. We want the read EDX EBSD data filter. Then we can run this filter to see our initial data using a surface view in the visualization and using the confidence index color array. Now we can manipulate the data. First, we'll add a compute IPF colors filter. The reference direction stays the same at 001. We'll simply fill in the required paths for each path parameter. Now we can rerun the pipeline and change the color array to view IPF colors. Let's generate a pole figure of this data. We'll need a generate and write pole figure images filter. There is only a few parameters we need to adjust here. Let's change the figure title and the image size to 72. Then we'll fill in the required paths, including the output path. Then we'll give the file name a prefix, and that's it. Now we'll rerun this pipeline and view our pole figure in the visualization. Let's split view the pole figure and our data so we can see them stacked. Now we'll adjust the visualization so we can observe each portion. Let's do some further manipulation. We'll add a multi-threshold objects filter. For our parameters, we will input the confidence index path and filter out by greater than 0.1. We'll need to put this multi-threshold objects filter in pipeline spot 2. Then we'll need to change the pole figure and IPF colors filters to include the mask array created by the multi-threshold filter. Now we can run this pipeline and see the filtered out parts in our data. The dark portions shown in the visualization is the data we filtered out. Finally, we'll add a write DREAM3D-NX file filter. Choose the path you would like the data to be saved to, then enable the write XDMF file checkbox if you would like to view this data in ParaView or a similar app. Run the pipeline one last time to ensure the data is saved correctly. Thank you for watching this tutorial in DREAM3D-NX. If you would like to learn more or try DREAM3D-NX, please visit our website at dream3d.io. Please leave a like for future DREAM3D-NX tutorials and subscribe for notifications on new videos.